Worried about losing your important customer data? In our digital age, an unexpected crash or deletion can spell disaster for your business. Luckily, HubSpot offers a simple way to back up your CRM, helping you protect your data and stay stress-free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a CRM backup in HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account. On the top navigation bar, click the gear icon to open your settings. On the left pane, scroll down to Data Management and click on Backup. Click on the Create Backup option. A window will pop up. Click Create Now. Then click the Download Backup option to download the zip file. Depending on the size of your data, this might take a while. The zip file will contain all your objects and their respective records. Now that you know how to create a backup in HubSpot, you can protect your valuable customer information and stay worry-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.